National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Baltimore County in northeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland until 5 o'clock p.m. At 4:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending 5 miles west of FedEx Field and were moving east at 45 miles. Capable of producing destructive winds. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Annapolis, Elkridge, Bowie, Kettering, Bruce Falls, Woodland Park, Locust Point. This is a dangerous line of storm. If you are in a path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This line of storms has a history of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Montgomery County in central Maryland until 7 o'clock p.m. At 3:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates that up to 1 inch of rain have already fallen across portions of the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch can be expected. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Aspen Hill, Bethesda. The tornado warning will expire at 4:15 p.m. for Howard and Montgomery counties. The thunderstorm that prompted the warning has exited the warned area. Thus, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Montgomery County in central Maryland. A special marine warning remains in effect until 4:40. Doppler radar indicated reducing wind gusts in excess of 50 knots from 13 nautical miles north of National Harbor to the Woodrow-Wilson Bridge, or from 7 nautical miles northeast of Key Bridge to 3 nautical miles west of the Woodrow-Wilson Bridge, moving east at 40 knots. Wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Locally, high winds and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Severe thunderstorm watch number 306 remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. for the following county, district. An outflow boundary approaching the waters. At 4:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an outflow boundary from Gunston Hall to 11 nautical miles northwest of wide water, moving east at 35 knots. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Brenta Point, Wide Water, Smallwood State Park, Duncan Beach, Dartmouth Point, Danjimore Creek, Matthias Point, Port Tobacco River, Hopes Creek. Wind gusts 20 to 30 knots can be expected. Severe thunderstorm watch number 306 remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. for the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Charles, Collins, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties, Arlington, Fairfax, and Loudoun, and the following independent cities in Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church, and the following, Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, and Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. Severe weather. Area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The flash flood watch continues for portions of Maryland, the District of Columbia, and Virginia, including the following areas in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Calvert, Carroll,